The fact that we have 30 designers, 60 plus models, literally 30 plus different looks for beauty.
It's massive.
One of the biggest events in India in terms of fashion.
Present the Indian woman to a global platform in a nice wholesome way, which is not just from what we know, also borrowing from things that we don't, and being kind of unafraid in its expression. I wanted to do something not just pretty but beautiful. And different kinds of beautiful. One could be haunting, one could be crazy, one could be abstract. You know, pretty is the last resort for me. When nothing else works, do pretty. Also working with some of the best designers that this country has ever seen, and some of the best models, and has so many strong personalities take on these roles that we visually, imagine for them. It's incredible. And my crew, some of the best people that have been under my mentorship for almost 10 years, 15 years. I feel like I'm with a bunch of old lovers.
It's an amazing experience. He is so creative and he's such a perfectionist.
So I like storytelling in some way or the other, whatever I'm allowed.
But he's also so much fun. He's got an amazing sense of humor. Always excited to create new art, new designs, new forms of hair, makeup.
He is my mentor. I always learn when he is doing the makeup and all. I try to be next to him and I always catch his techniques, the way he pulls hands.
And you'll find that art skin needs 2 layers of it. Because our pigment, the melanin is so strong.
And Elton gives all the details. It's all under his guidance. So we are just trying to make his vision come true.
I kind of make them see what I'm talking about in terms of this feeling. What kind of woman are we speaking to? What experience are we putting her through in this? Or what is the designer envisioning for her as an experience? And then we just cater to that woman.
Well, there is a different style and different personality with every costume that one wears on the runway. I am wearing this really nice tribal outfit which I can be wild and like go full power, if that makes sense. And we have drums. We have drums. The headgear, the makeup, they go very hand in hand. I mean, they're both crazy, they're both over the top. I think it's been fabulous. They're so creative and very artistic. They're amazing.
I think that I've become a completely different character. That's everything, because I love being a chameleon every day.
Elton is one of my favorite artists, and it's Elton doing our 25th year of Lakme. It's all I would have asked for.
Every time he touches my face, I feel like I'm baptized. Like, it's great.
It's the 25th edition. I feel like having a bit of a Desi awakening with my Lakme Desi products. Enjoying it. Excited to dive into this collaboration with them and Tresemme. I think it's in how you make them feel about what you're doing. Because we're all creative people, are mostly feelers. And we respond to that. You gotta be mad, you gotta be cool, you gotta be wise.
a secret message to Elton. I love you. Mwah. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep creating till the end of time. We'll never get bored.